Right now I'm going to talk about EduStick's spell count build activity. For this activity you need a worksheet. There are 6 that included with the lesson packet. You'll need a laminated board, the GeoShapes, a wet erase pen. This will be inside your cover, which you can write on and students can erase with the wet erase pen. This game is going to work on spelling, counting, and building. It's going to help students spell. It's going to help students connect geometric shapes to objects, to everyday things. It's going to also allow them to count, basic counting, and if you want, it can be extended to teach things about shapes as well. But the simple idea of this is they will see an object here and they will spell out what it is. This is mouse and cat. And if they want, they can count the shapes before or after they build the object. So let's go ahead and count the shapes here. So we started with the equilateral triangle. Looks like we've got 2 here, the cat's ears. We've got the right triangle, we've got 2 here, so we've got 2 of those. The little rectangle, we've got actually 1, 2, 3, 4. The half circle, the semicircle, we've got 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 here. The large triangle, right triangle, we've got 1, 2. I actually missed a couple for the cat's eyes for the little rectangle, which is interesting because students, there are so many shapes in some of these that's what they're going to be trying to do, is count these. And finally, we've got the large rectangle here, which is on the bottom here of the cat, the body of the cat. So here's the thing built. Like everything with EduStick, you can the students can hold it up and you can see if they built it and talk about how many shapes are there and talk about some of the relationships between the shapes and the spelling, obviously. But this is just a fun activity for upper elementary grades. If you want, you can actually kind of take out some of the lines and see if they can fill in the space without the lines. So that's a good way to make it harder. So it's called Spell Count Build. It's a great game for introducing counting, geometric shapes, and building concrete things with geometric shapes. Thank you.
EduStick, quiet, reusable manipulators that stick to any clean, glossy surface. Glass, mirror, whiteboard, metal, tile, just a few of the fun places you can play at.